This is a brick wall puzzle and I will show you how to solve it in a minute. The goal of this puzzle is to remove all parts from the frame and then put them back between the bricks of the wall. This puzzle was designed by Lucy Powells and made by Pelican. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 9 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And if you like the brick wall puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca and hit the subscribe button if you would like to access more videos from Puzzle Master. The brick wall puzzle is a very difficult puzzle since there are too many possibilities how you can put parts between the bricks, and it has only one solution. So we will spend countless hours trying to figure out the way how to stick all the parts inside until you will be able to find the only correct solution. But if you try to solve the puzzle and didn't succeed, I will show you how to solve it right now. So I'll start with this piece here, then this piece goes right here. There is a large piece that goes right in here. The smallest part will be right here. Now we have to find a piece that will go right here, and it will be not this one. There is another one very similar to it, this one. Then this piece goes down here. Another piece like this one, it goes next to it. Then this large piece goes right here. We have only 3 parts left, and we have to find the correct spot for each and every one of them. This goes here, and we have the last one, and it fits right here. As you can see, when you know the solution, it looks very simple, but believe me, it is not that easy. When you don't know the solution, you will spend a lot of time trying to find the correct way to solve the puzzle. And it looks really beautiful, very nice showpiece. If you like the brick wall puzzle and you want to try some other great puzzles, go to puzzlemaster.ca.